How to alphabetise a list in Excel. There's a few ways you can alphabetise your data in Excel. So let's look at this list here that we've got of countries that are all out of order. One way to alphabetise a list is to right click your mouse somewhere in the list and then go to Sort on the menu that appears and then choose A to Z. This will sort the list of countries in A to Z order as long as you've got no gaps or empty cells in your data. If we did have a gap, so let's insert a gap here and then try and sort this top section Z to A. So we'll right click, go to Sort and then choose Z to A. As you can see, it's only changed this top section here. So where there's a gap, it thinks that's the end. So before you alphabetise your data, make sure there's no gaps or empty cells. So delete them before you start. Another way is to add a header into your data. So if we click this number 1 here on the left, this will highlight the whole row and then we'll right click and choose Insert from the menu that appears. And that'll give us a spare cell, so we'll add a header in there. So we'll type in country here and now we'll add a filter on by highlighting the cell by clicking it once, going to Sort and Filter in the top ribbon here and then choose Filter. And now from this filter we can click it like this and choose Sort A to Z or Z to A, and that will sort the data for us. So that's how to alphabetise data that's just in one column. But if you've got a spreadsheet with data in different columns, you can use the Sort option in Excel to choose which column you want to alphabetise. So let's have a look at this second tab, which shows us a mixture of car makes, the work that they've had done and the price. So in this tab we want to alphabetise the list of work done here, and we want to keep the other data in line so that it all matches and it doesn't get mixed up. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you've clicked a cell that contains some data like this. If you've got a cell highlighted that doesn't contain any data, it won't let you bring up the sort menu. So click anywhere into a cell that contains data and then move your mouse to the top ribbon here and choose the title Data and then choose Sort here, and this will bring up the Sort menu. If your data's got headers at the top or titles, tick this box here and that lets Excel know that your data's got headers or titles, and it'll stop them being moved into alphabetical order with the rest of the data. So the data that we're looking at does not have headers or titles, so we'll leave that box unticked so it knows to alphabetise everything that we've got there. So firstly we'll choose the column we want to sort, which in this case is column B, which shows the work done. We'll check the next box shows cell values and then check the order box is A to Z. Then if you click OK, this will sort cell B into alphabetical order and it's kept all the other data in line, so no car makes or work done or prices have been mixed up. And that's how to alphabetise in Excel.